Hi, welcome to Icing on Top Becky's Cakes. I'm Becky and we're going to make strawberry buttercream today. Just put some strawberries in our blender and blend them up really good. And then we're going to put that and about a cup of room temperature butter and a whisk attachment to whisk up our buttercream. And the reason you want to blend the butter with the strawberry puree first really good before adding any other ingredients is because the other ingredients will separate from the buttercream if the butter and the strawberry puree have not been blended well beforehand. So we're going to whip it for about 10 minutes on medium. You can do it on low as well, but I want to do it on medium to make sure that I get it really whipped up good. And then we're going to add just a drop of pink food coloring. This is Deep Pink by AmeriColor. I'm just going to put only one drop in there because I still want it to be a really light pink. And then after I add that, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of the strawberry extract. And here's the one I use today. And that's imitation strawberry extract. I'm going to put 2 of those teaspoons in, and then I'm also going to put half a teaspoon of salt in, and 1 pound and 4 ounces of powdered sugar. I use pure cane sugar so it's smoother, and that's about 5 cups if you're measuring by cups. And then we're going to whip that on low until the powdered sugar is fully incorporated in with our butter mixture. And then we can move it up to medium, and we're going to mix it until it is all well incorporated. And once it's all well incorporated, it should look nice and fluffy. We also want to make sure we scrape down the sides during this process so that we don't have a bunch of powdered sugar stuck to the sides. And now, once it gets to be a super nice and fluffy texture and well incorporated, it's ready. You're ready to stop. And if you want to get those bubbles out of there, you're just going to mix it on low with a paddle attachment instead of the whisk attachment, and that gets a lot of those bubbles out. And now it's ready to start piping on some yummy strawberry cupcakes or whatever flavor cupcakes you're doing today. So we're just going to get out our piping bag. I used a 1M tip for this. I'm going to start in the middle and then circle around that. Apply pressure as I go, and then keep going when I release the pressure, and there's a nice little rosette for us. Then I top these with some candied strawberries, and if you want to see the tutorial on how to make candied strawberries, please check it out on my channel. It's really fun, and thanks for watching today.